Today we are going to have a look at grades. Okay, we're inside the class details page. So this is a particular class, and we're in the grades tab. Grades, we have two types of grading: the basic grading and the full grading. Okay, basic and full. Okay, basic is very easy. This is a grading where, if it's a short course and you don't have any kind of detailed grading for the student, then what you need to do is basically add a comment for every student, okay, and save it, and then add a grade, okay, or basically the rating. Okay, so two things. Okay, this is for the basic grading. In order for you to make sure that the whole thing is working fine, you can go and check out the report that will be seen by the student. Okay, so this is one kind of grading. Okay, it's called basic grading, and there's another grading which is called full grading. For full grading, in order to be able to do the full grading, you need to go and do the settings, okay, if it's not done before. So the settings basically for a grading, you need to say how the 100 percentage will be distributed among the grading, the various grading categories. Okay, and one concept here that you have to digest before that is the concept of a parent category and a child category. Okay, so for example, I've added already 3 parent categories here, and we'll add 1 together. So any red category is a parent category. Anything under it is a child category. Okay, so we could have had writing, and then under it, business writing, and casual writing, or letter writing, or legal writing, right? And obviously, the marks for the child category, all of them should not exceed the total for the parent category for this group. So let's try and add 1 more parent and 1 more child under it. So we'll add 1 parent. Let's call it, so this is reading. Reading is already there, so we'll select it. If it's not there, you can go here and add it. Okay, so you can click here and add any new category that you want. And the weight for this is 25%. And we're saying that it's going to be summed. So the whole group is, we're going to sum the child categories weights in order to arrive at the parent category weight. Okay, so now I'm adding, so I've just added a parent category. Under that, I will add a category, a child category called also reading. Okay, so child category weight, we're gonna have the 25% allocated to that. Now, this is not needed here because this child category is not pertaining to any particular assessment or test paper. So we'll add now the parent category, sorry, the child category. Now they total 100. Obviously, not for every class you'll have to create those categories. Once you've done one and you're happy with it and you want to use it for each and every of your classes, then you just need to come here and click on copy grading category so you can import it from other classes. So that needs to happen once if you don't want to change it any if you don't want to change any particular element of it, then you just copy it as it is. Okay, so now we're done with the settings. What we need to do is basically go here and add the marks for the students. Okay, you need to unlock, okay, to be able to add. I've already added marks that are for previous categories. Let's say that we here are going to out of 25, let's say 20 or 30 down. Let's make it 20. Okay, and so on and so forth, right? So this is the grade book. We're done with the grade book, and now we want to calculate. So first part is this, second part is calculate, and then the results of the calculations or the final results of your grades will be down. So you calculate only if you're done with this part. Okay, there's one note here. These are going to be entered manually unless it is homework or an assessment that you've done and you have entered it as a child category. What you need to do is just you'll have an import link here. You click import, and these will be populated, but otherwise you'll have to do them manually. So after you're done, what you want to do is just continue these so that we can do at least one. So we're done now. All these are hypothetical, of course. So let's say that this is the first student. We click calculate, it's calculated, so it's gone from here, and you can see that it's already down. Okay, and obviously you can go here and check the report for this particular student. That's how the grading is done. So good luck.